Okay, so this is our last video for probability. Don't get too excited, okay? Now, anyway, so what you see behind me, I listed 3 different things that you have choices to wear, okay? For shirts, you have a long sleeve shirt, you have a short sleeve t-shirt, or you have a tank top. Pants, you can either wear shorts or sweats. And shoes, you can wear either sneakers, sandals, or boots, okay? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out all the possible combinations of clothes that you can wear from these 3 choices, from shirts, pants, and shoes, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do it the really long way first, okay? And this is really long, and this would take forever to do if you had a whole bunch of choices. And in this case, there really aren't that many choices, okay? Let me pull this a little bit closer so I can reach it. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make a web, okay? And it's going to have a whole bunch of arms coming off of it. It's going to be coming out, and it's going to look really crazy, and it's going to look really confusing, and it's going to look not really confusing, but it's going to have a lot of stuff written on it. So, but here's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to list our 3 choices for shirts, okay? So we have long sleeve, t-shirt, or tank top, okay? Now, with this long sleeve shirt, you can wear one of 2 things. You can wear either your shorts. Let's give a little bit more space here. You can wear either shorts or you can wear sweats. With the t-shirt, you can wear either shorts or sweats. And with the tank top, again, either shorts or sweats. So you have 2 choices with each one of the shirts, okay? What do you want to wear with that? Okay, now, if you wear a long sleeve t-shirt and shorts, now you have to pick a pair of shoes. So how many choices of shoes do you have? Well, you've got 3 choices of shoes. You have sneakers, sandals, and boots. Sneakers, sandals, and boots. And with your sweats, if you wore a long sleeve shirt and sweatpants, you could wear sneakers, sandals, or boots. Let's say you decided to wear your t-shirt, like it's really nice today. Hopefully you guys were outside today and you're not inside watching this right now. Hopefully you're waiting until later. Do it tomorrow when the weather's nice, when the weather's raining actually. Now, if you're wearing a t-shirt, you can choose either shorts or sweats. But again, you have 3 choices for shoes. Sneakers, sandals, or boots. With your sweats, 3 choices. You guys understand now, I think. With the tank top, you can wear shorts. You can wear sneakers, sandals, or boots. And sneakers, sandals, or boots. So there are that many possible combinations of clothes that you could wear. So how many possible combinations? Well, this is how we would find out. We count up how many total things we have at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 possible combinations of each one of these, having just 3 t-shirts, two types of pants, and 3 types of footwear. Now, obviously, most of you guys have more than 1 pair of sneakers. You definitely have more than one long sleeve t-shirt, 1 t-shirt, and 1 tank top. I'm sure you have multiple of each. And your shoes and your shorts, you have multiple pairs of shorts, you have multiple pairs of sweatpants, I'm sure. So this is really simplified. So if you were to choose all the different colors and all the different things, this number would be huge. I'd need a much bigger whiteboard, Okay, I'd have to start writing on the back of my house, but I'm not going to do that. So now, here, that is the long way. Okay, that takes a lot of time, and especially if you have more than just 3, 2, and 3. Imagine you have 4 choices, or 5 choices, or 10 choices. Okay, now let's take each one of these individually. What is the probability of you picking one of these 3 shirts? Well, the probability of you picking a long sleeve shirt is 1/3. The probability of you picking a t-shirt is 1/3. The probability of you picking a tank top is 1/3. So that each one of these has a probability of occurring of 1/3. Now, each one of these is independent. Okay, in other words, each one of these has nothing to do with the other yet. What's the probability of picking shorts or sweats? The probability of picking shorts or sweats, again, is 1/2. Let's put this up here, 1/3. This is 1/2, right? 1 out of 2. 2 possible choices, picking one of the 2. And then sneakers, sandals, and boots, just like with the shirts, that'll be 1/3. Okay? Now, I put 1 here because each one of these is 1 out of 18. Now, instead of doing all of these arms and branches and webs and everything like that, the quicker way for you to get to this 1 out of 18 is to multiply the probability of each one of these things happening. Okay? So the probability of you picking a shirt, one of your shirts, is 1/3. The probability of picking pants is 1/2. And the probability of picking one of your pairs of shoes is 1/3. Now, if we multiply these 3 probabilities together, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Isn't math just fantastic? I love it. Anyway, if you multiply these 3 probabilities together of each one of these choices, you're going to get how many possible outcomes there are. Okay? That's called a compound event. Think of compound words. Compound words are 2 words put together and make 1 word, right? These are compound events. Choosing which shirt, choosing which pants, and choosing which shoes, all put together. And the probability of those things occurring is 1. Each one of those possibilities is 1 out of 18. Okay? All right. Now, let me talk to you real quick about, hey, you want to see my backyard? There's my backyard. That's super exciting, but I'm sure you're wondering. Or maybe you're not. I just like to show it off. Anyway. Guys, don't, again, I said this earlier on, take advantage of this time, okay? Who knows when we'll be back? But the truth is, the only way for this coronavirus to go away is for everybody to stay away from each other, okay? Is for people not to interact with each other. So I know it's tough being home. I know it's boring. I know you'd much rather be at school, hanging out with your friends and seeing each other and doing different things and eating lunch together. But the truth is, the only way for this whole thing to get over with and for everything to get back to normal, for people to go out and do what they normally do, and for people to hang out, is for everybody to stay away from each other and not spread any of these germs. Okay? So, in the end, I know this isn't any fun. It's not fun for me. It's not fun for you. It's not fun for your parents. It's not fun for anybody. But the truth is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. Okay? It happened. And what are you going to do? I mean, you can complain about it. You can complain. You can cry. You can get angry. You can make everybody's life around you miserable. But the truth is, everybody's in the same boat. So just understand that this will be over, okay? Take care of each other. Take care of your loved ones. And in the end, we'll all be a little bit better off, I think, okay? So take care of yourselves, and I'll come back with another lesson at some point. All right, take care, guys.